Over 80% of drivers are unknowingly damaging their cars every single day. And here's the part nobody talks about. Some of the simplest tricks can prevent repairs that cost more than the car is worth. These aren't gimmicks. These are real-world car hacks most mechanics quietly use themselves. Stick with me, because missing even one of these could cost you later. Let's jump straight in. Hack number 15. Cat litter for foggy car windows. If your windshield constantly fogs up from the inside, that's not bad defrosters or a broken AC system. It's moisture trapped inside your cabin, and wiping it with your sleeve only spreads it around. Here's the fix most people would never think of. Take a clean sock or pantyhose, fill it with silica-based cat litter, tie it off, and leave it on the dashboard or under a seat. Silica pulls moisture directly out of the air, stopping fog before it starts. One sock can work for weeks, sometimes months. When it stops absorbing, refill it. Cheap, simple, and shockingly effective. And here's what nobody mentions. This also helps prevent mold, electrical corrosion, and that musty smell that never seems to go away. Hack number 14. Vaseline on car interior. If your interior plastics look faded and tired, you don't need a $100 detailing job. Petroleum jelly does the job better than most store-bought products. Put a tiny amount of Vaseline on a microfiber cloth, wipe it into plastic and vinyl, then buff off the excess. The color deepens instantly. But this isn't just cosmetic. Vaseline forms a barrier that slows UV damage, which is what actually causes cracking and fading over time. Door panels, dashboards, rubber seals, this works on all of it. Ever notice how old cars leak air and water around the doors? Dry seals are often the reason. Hack number 13. Magic eraser for car scuffs. Those black scuff marks that make your interior look trashed, they're not permanent. Lightly dampen a magic eraser and gently rub the scuff. The micro-abrasive foam lifts the mark instead of smearing it. Door panels, center consoles, seat edges, it works fast. Just go easy. You're removing a microscopic surface layer. And yes, it even works on light exterior scuffs and parking lot marks. Ever try it on bumper transfer marks? You'll be shocked. Hack number 12. Headrest for window breaking. If you're ever trapped in your car after an accident, punching the window won't help. Side windows are tougher than you think. But pull out your headrest and look at the metal prongs. Those aren't just for height adjustment. Wedge one into the corner of a side window and pry. The concentrated pressure shatters tempered glass instantly. This is a real emergency design feature, not a myth. Remember, side windows only. Windshields are laminated and won't break this way. Hack number 11. Fix squeaky belts with one spray. That embarrassing squeal when you start your car doesn't always mean your belt is dead. Often it's just dry or glazed. A belt dressing spray restores grip and quiets it instantly. Spray the ribbed side while the engine's running. If the noise disappears and stays gone, you avoided an unnecessary replacement. If it comes back quickly, then you know it's time to dig deeper. Diagnosis before replacement. That's how you save money. Hack number 10. Replace cabin air filter. If your AC smells bad or airflow feels weak, your cabin air filter is probably disgusting, and shops love charging $50 for a 5-minute job. Pop the glove box down, slide the old filter out, and replace it. That's it. Clean air, stronger airflow, less strain on your blower motor. Pull yours out once and you'll understand why this matters. Hack number 9. Remove weight for fuel saving. Every extra 100 pounds in your car hurts fuel economy. Junk in the trunk, unused tools, boxes you forgot about, it all adds up. Clearing it out can boost mileage immediately. Roof racks are even worse. The drag alone can destroy highway MPG. Ask yourself, do you really need that rack installed year-round? Hack number 8. Mix Vaseline with toothpaste for headlights. Yellow headlights aren't just ugly, they're dangerous. Toothpaste removes oxidation. Vaseline fills micro scratches and seals the plastic. Together, they restore clarity and slow future yellowing. Scrub, rinse, buff. Visibility improves dramatically. Night driving gets safer. And no, this isn't just cosmetic. Cloudy lenses can cut light output by more than half. Hack number 7. Coin and door handle theft prevention. Thieves wedge coins or plastic into door handles to stop locks from engaging. You walk away thinking your car is locked. It's not. Always glance at your handle and physically tug it after locking. That 5-second habit can prevent a break-in. Convenience has made people careless, and thieves know it. Hack number 6. Use slime to clean AC vents. Dust-packed vents blow allergens straight into your face. Cleaning slime presses into every crevice and pulls the junk out in seconds. Vents, buttons, cup holders, it works everywhere fingers can't reach. Cleaner vents mean cleaner air, especially important if you live in a humid climate. Hack number 5. Grease car ignition lock with pencil. If your key sticks, oil isn't the solution. Graphite is. Rub pencil lead over your key, insert it several times, and the lock lubricates itself. No mess, no dust buildup. This works on every lock in your car. Oil-based sprays actually make locks worse long-term. Hack number 4. Summertime steering wheel hack. Before parking, rotate the wheel so the grip faces down. The sun hits the top, not where your hands go. Same idea with hot gear shifters. Less heat damage, less burned skin, longer material life. Hack number 3. Secret tow hook on the trunk. That small cover on your bumper hides a treaded tow point. The hook is usually stored near the spare tire. Screw it in and you've got a factory-approved recovery point. No bumper damage, no guessing. Most drivers never even realize this exists. Hack number 2. Hidden conversation mirrors. Check your sun visor. Many cars have built-in mirrors for watching the back seat. Perfect for parents or rideshare drivers. Keeps your eyes forward instead of turning around. If yours doesn't have one, clip-on mirrors are cheap and incredibly useful. Hack number 1. Reset your TPMS sensor. If your tire light stays on even after inflating, you probably just need a reset. Many cars have a button, others use the dashboard menu. A short drive recalibrates the system. Temperature changes alone can trigger the light. No shop visit required. So, how many of these did you already know? Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. If this saved you money or taught you something new, subscribe for more real-world car knowledge that actually protects your wallet. And if you want the tricks mechanics never bring up, click the next video. You'll be glad you did.